He said why God Almighty has singled out the camels in this verse of the Holy Quran. Why didn't He choose any other animals as well?
Read the verse and I'll tell you. So this is the verse number 18 from Surah Ghashiyah, which is chapter number 88. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Afala yanzuruna ila al-ibli kayfa khuliqat. Do they not then look at the camel, how it is created?
Now, why camel is chosen for this? Of all the anam, that is the animals which give milk, etc., the real word anam is in fact applicable to the camels, and it is applied to others similar to it. But camel is the most useful animal in so many ways, in which other such animals like cows and goats, etc., are not useful at all. They give milk. Camel also gives milk. Their flesh is eaten. Camel's flesh is also eaten. But they are not ridden, while the camel is ridden. The camel is made especially to walk long distance or run long distances on the desert. And camel's feet are specially created to cope with the problems of the desert. So animals have their advantages, but the camel has the greatest advantage of all the animals. In fact, even when people, the riders of the camel, are dying of thirst, you see, even the animal, when it is slaughtered, is ripped open, and in the stomach there is some reserved water to be consumed by the travelers. So there are amazing things about the chemical, the way it's built, and several. There are 101 things about the camel you can mention. That is why it's the chief animal, the chief useful cattle-like animal, which is being mentioned in the Quran. No other cattle is mentioned. I mean, in this surah, in this verse, only one cattle is mentioned, which is camel.